everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome if you are new. Hope you are doing good and safe. If you haven't seen our previous collections, do check out our collections, and all our collections are available on our website colorcubeonline.com, and also you can WhatsApp us on our number given below. Today we are going to show you designer and daily wear materials, and all of these are latest collections. Let us check them one by one. This is the turmeric yellow Chanderi silk material, and if you see, we have a thread embroidery work done at the yoke, and also we have the Pochampalli patch, beautiful Pochampalli patch in the contrast maroon and the red color combination, and we have the thread work all over, and also we have the zari booties. If you can see, we have the zari booties all over the top, and at the daman we have this patch along with the piping. This is paired with Pochampalli printed dupatta. This is cotton silk material. And we have the zari work, we have the zari piping all over the four sides. This is paired with red color bottom. This is how the set looks. This is peachish pink color. This is soft muslin silk cloth material, and we have the zari weavings all over the top, and we have it at the back side also, and at the neck level, yoke level, we have the thread embroidery and the mirror work, and also we have a small pearls work all over the yoke, and at the daman we have the silver gota tapings, and this is paired with silk cotton dupatta. This is also very soft, and we have the pure chiffon dupatta with the tapings, and also we have the gota tapings all over the four sides. This is how the set looks. This is half white color. This fabric is very soft, and all over the top we have the Wali prints on it with the thread embroidery work done in between the prints, and it has at the yoke we have the buttons, and at the daman we have the patch, the printed Wali print, and also we have the pom-pom tapings at the bottom. And this is paired with crochet and patchwork dupatta, and this is very pretty. This is how the dupatta is. We have the Wali patches here, Wali embroidery patches here, and also we have the crochet work done with the jali, and this is how it looks. And at the four sides we have the pom-pom tapings. This is paired with ash color cotton bottom, contrast ash color cotton bottom. This is how the set looks. This is black color, and this has prints all over the top. This is soft cotton material, and at the hands and the bottom we can have this border designed, and this is paired with contrast orange color bottom with the black color prints on it, and this is a Kota cotton dupatta in orange color with black color prints on it, and we have the zari border all over the four sides, and we have the tapings at the bottom. This is how the set looks. This is looking simply elegant and stylish too. This is indigo blue color, and we have the dark blue color lines all over the top, and at the hands and the daman we have this print. This is paired with Kota cotton dupatta with the same print, and we have the golden zari piping all over the top, all over the dupatta. And this is a soft Kota cotton dupatta with the prints on it, and this is paired with dark indigo blue color with light blue color prints on it. This is how the set looks. This is the lemon yellow color top. This is a soft cotton material, and we have the block prints all over the top, and we have the light color print all over the top. If you can see, this print is available all over the top, and at the hands and the daman we have this print. This is paired with Kota cotton dupatta, yellow color, and we have the golden zari piping all over the dupatta, and we have the prints, same prints that are available on the top body, we have it on the dupatta, and at the bottom of the dupatta we have the yellow color, and also we have the tapings, and this is paired with green color bottom with the prints on it. This is how the set looks. This is soft cotton light blue color top, and we have the prints with lavender and the ash color and black color prints on it, and at the hands and the daman we have this print, and the bottom we have the contrast white and lavender color stripes print on it. This is paired with white color dupatta, Kota cotton dupatta with lavender color prints on it, and the zari prints all over the four sides. And also we have the blue color prints on the dupatta, and at the bottom we have this beautiful print matching with the top, and we have the tapings. So this is how the set looks. This is black color, and we have the ajrak prints all over the top with white and maroon color. This is very soft, and it is very skin friendly as well. This is paired with soft cotton dupatta with ajrak patchwork done all over the dupatta, and also on the four sides we have this ajrak patchwork attached to it. This is how the set looks. The next color we have in this ajrak prints is red color, and this is mirchi red color, and we have the blue, black and skin color, beige color prints on all over the top, and at the bottom also we have the prints. This is paired with blue color dupatta with patchwork all over the top, and we also have the mirror work done in between the patches, and at the bottom of the dupatta we have this ajrak cloth patches and also we have the tapings at the bottom. And on the four sides we have the Ajrak printed cloth patches. This is how the set looks. The third color we have in this is indigo blue with Ajrak prints all over the top. And we have the light blue color prints, moti prints with Ajrak. And at the back side also we have the prints. And this is paired with peachish pink color dupatta. This is paired with peachish pink color dupatta with kanta work all over the dupatta with dark pink color and black color threads. And also we have the Ajrak printed cloth at the four sides of the dupatta. And at the bottom of the dupatta we have the Ajrak printed patchwork along with the tapings. And this is how the set looks. And the fourth color we have in this variety is black and yellow color. This black color cotton, this has Ajrak prints with yellow and the maroon all over the top. And at the back side also we have these prints. This is paired with yellow color dupatta. And this is paired with yellow color dupatta, and this has the kanta work with maroon color and black color thread work. And also we have the Ajrak printed cloth border on tapings on all the four sides. And we have at the bottom of the dupatta the Ajrak printed patchwork along with the tapings. This is how the set looks. The last color we have in this variety is light orange and brick red mixture of this color, and this has black and blue color prints all over the top. These are all Ajrak prints of handmade, and at the bottom also, at the back side also, we have this Ajrak prints. And this is paired with white color cotton dupatta with Ajrak patchworks all over the dupatta. These are all Ajrak prints, patchwork. If you see, these are elephants. And on the four sides, we have this Ajrak printed cloth tapings all over the four sides. This is how the set looks. Hope you liked all our today's collections. If you like our collections, give a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to our channel. And all of these materials are available on our website colourcubeonline.com, and also you can WhatsApp us on the number given below. Thank you.